Okay, so I'm over in Mr. G's class and I'm trying to assemble the potentiometer project. It said to go from 5 volts over to the positive column, from the ground to the negative column. And so there are my red and my black wires for this first part. Then it said to take a blue wire and to go from Arduino 0, which is way over here, to E26, which is right there. Then it says to go from E25 to 5 volts positive. So from E25 to 5 volts positive, anywhere along that 5 volts positive, and from E27 to the ground. Okay, then it says I need from D13 to J2. I'm going to need a wire that goes from my digital 13. I'm going to use a yellow wire for that, to go from my digital 13, which is over here, to my J2, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, 2. Then I need to make sure that I have a red, or an orange, brown, 2 stripes the same. I'm going to jumper from, it says to go from E2 to F2, from E2 to F2, using that resistor. Now my first LED is going to be a red one. I'm going to put the long leg of the red one in 2, the short leg in 1, and then I'm going to run a black wire from that short leg to back to the ground. Anywhere along the ground is fine. And then the only thing I need to do is put a button in here, or the potentiometer, not a button this time. It needs to line up with those 3 that are already right there. So if I sent the code, this is the basic build as planned. But you were told you need to add another LED. So how do you do that? Well, everything you did to the first one. You have a yellow wire going into 12, or into 13. I'm going to put an orange wire into 12. I'm going to bring it over to J4. From there, I'm going to use a resistor, and I'm going to go from F4 to E4. Straight like that. I'm going to put the blue LED, the long leg, towards my power. The short leg will be in that 3rd row. And then I need another black wire to go from E3 back to ground. At that point, I'm done. I'm ready to send the code. So I go to my Arduino and I send the code. What you should see is everything should flash 3 times to let me know that the code has uploaded. And then I should be able to adjust the speed using the potentiometer. There were the 3 flashes, and at this point, as I turn the potentiometer, the speed of my blinking lights change. And that's all there was to it. So I hope this video helps. It was just adding an LED to your existing build.